If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University questions on indefinite integral. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 4 onwards and up to question number 10. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Next, if you come to question number 4, what is asked here, to find the ddx of x plus 4 x minus 3. Integration of x plus 4 and x minus 3. So this is simple to linear factor. It is better if you use partial fraction method. You can do it by taking product and make it a perfect square of this format, 1 by x square plus a square, either of this format, but you can apply it here partial fraction also. That is very easy also. So you can take 1 by x plus 4 into x minus 3 as a by x plus 4 plus b by x minus 3. How to calculate a and b? If you do this one, it is a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 4 if you take LCM. If you put x equal to 3, then this will get cancelled. 1 will be equal to b into 7, or you get b is equal to 1 by 7. If you put x equal to minus 4, then 1, it will be 4 into minus 7, because it will be 0, so it will be, a is minus 1 by 7. So you change this function into this format. So therefore it is integration of minus 1 by 7 divided by x plus 4 plus 1 by 7 divided by x plus x minus 3 dx. So it will be 1 by 7. Integration of 1 by x minus 3 is log x minus 3 minus 1 by 7, and integration of x plus 4 is log x plus 4 plus c. 1 by x format, that is log x. Next, if you come to question number 5, find the integration of sec square into cosec square. So you can do it. Sec square is 1 by cos square x and cosec square is 1 by sin square x. So you can write it in this way, so that I can club, because how I can club it, because sin x into cos x, you can write it 2 sin x into cos x whole square, and if you give 4 here, because I have given this 2 square is extra, so this 4 will get cancelled. Because why I am doing so? Because 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, so it will be sin square 2x. Because if you club it together, then it will be simple one. For simple one, we have formula in integration, and sin square is cosec square 2x. So cosec square, you have direct formula minus cot x, because differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square. So cosec square, you have minus cot x. So you apply this one, it will be minus 4 cot 2x. And because x is multiplied by 2, so you have to divide by 2 also. This you have to be careful. If there is any multiplication of x with any variable, you have to divide with that variable. So it will be minus 2 cot 2x plus c. So that is your answer. Next, if you come to question number 6, dx by x 1 plus x square. So this type of comes under another format which is known as Chutur-Putur, integration by using Chutur-Putur format, that is miscellaneous we say, where you have to do something naughty to get to apply some sort of method of substitution. If you multiply both sides by denominator by x, why I am doing so? Because if you multiply, then 1 plus x square will give you x dx in substitution. You can take it x square equal to t, or you can do 1 plus x square equal to 2, or let me take x square equal to t. So 2x dx equal to dt. So this x dx will give me dt. For that one I have given this dt by 2 in fact. So if you substitute, it will be 1 by 2 dt, because x dx is dt by 2, half I have taken out, and x square equal to 2, and it is 1 plus t. So then what happens? It becomes easy. You can now partial fraction it. Do it partial fraction. You can use these methods also, using these formulas also, trigonometry, that long formula. So whatever ways you feel comfortable. So I feel comfortable by using partial fraction because it is easy. So you can do it 1 by t and then 1 by 1 plus t. Suppose you don't know what should you put, plus or minus. So initially you put minus, so it will be always. So it will, because you can make it plus anytime. So 1 plus t, then minus t. So what will happen if you take LCM? 1 plus t minus t, t will get cancelled 1, or numerator is 1. So it is okay, it is perfectly working. So integration of t is log t, and integration of 1 by t is log 1 plus t plus c. Finally you put the values of t there. Half log, what is t? T is x square minus half log 1 plus x square plus c. So this is your answer. Next, question number 7, and again e to the power x into this. So I told you, if it is e to the power x of this into this, so our temptation is always to go this one, e to the power x into fx plus f dash x. So there is already given, because 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. So you have to be very good with differentiation, so that by seeing this one you can see this differentiation is this one. So integration of e to the power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. So you can write let 1 by x equal to fx, therefore f dash x is equal to minus 1 by x square. So you put it like this, e to the power x, it is of this format, fx plus f dash x. So answer of this one I know, e to the power x fx plus c. So what is my fx? Fx is 1 by x. So this is the answer, e to the power x by x plus c, using that formula. Next question number 8. Integration of sine 3x into sine 4x. So what you can do, you can apply sine a sine b formula, 2 sine a sine b. So for this 2 you have to divide by 2 and then 2 sine a sine b. What is the formula of 2 sine a sine b? Cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Cos a minus b minus, it will be cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Then it will be cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. It will be cos a cos b will be get cancelled, minus sin a sin b, it will be 2 sin a sin b. So it will be cos a minus b. So you can take anyone a, anyone b, because cos doesn't matter. So cos x minus sin x, 4x minus 3x, it will be x minus cos 7x. So what happened using this, because now you can segregate, because it is plus minus, so integration you can do it separately. Cos x is always sin x minus integration of cos 7x, 7 sin 7x, but because 7 is multiplied, so you have to divide by 7. So this is the answer. Next, if you come to question number 9, dx divided by x square plus x plus 1. So this is a standard format, because here you can apply all these formulas, 3 formulas. So you have to make it this formula. So how to make it? You make it completing square method. So dx divided by, you write it x square plus 2 into x into half plus half square plus 1 minus half square. So it will be dx divided by x plus half whole square, and 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So it will be dx divided by x plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. It is x square plus a square format. So it is x square plus a square means this one. This is the answer. So it is 1 by a. So 1 by a is here root 3 by 2, and then in tan inverse x by a. This is x, this is a, plus c. It will be 2 by root 3 tan inverse 2x plus 1 divided by root 3 plus c. Next, if you come to question number 10, integration of only tan x. So don't use that formula directly. You try to prove this formula, because they are asking this one. Don't you write log sec x directly, because you know their formula, but you try to prove how it is coming. So you can write it sin x by cos x, then dx. Now here if you take let cos x equal to t, so differentiation of cos is sine, so it will be minus sin x dx is equal to dt, or sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So you will put it as minus dt divided by t. So minus out, and dt by t, it is log t, so it is minus log t plus c. And minus, you can take log, this one you can take as a power, so it will be log 1 by t, because this minus 1 you can put it there, so t to the power minus 1 is 1 by t. And what is t? You have taken cos, so 1 by cos is sec, so that is log sec x plus c. So this is proof. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.